So, are you struggling to find what is your perfect hair care routine for your specific hair type? So, do not worry. In this video, let's go deep into finding the perfect routine for your hair type and also include expert tips, the nourishing nutrition which is required to make sure that your hair is in great health right from the root to the tip. Hi, I'm Dr. Tina Ramachandar. I'm a consultant dermatologist and I work in Sahakar Nagar, Bangalore. I have a special interest in lasers, dermatosurgery, and medical cosmetology. So, 5 proven ways to make sure you are in the right path of your hair health. First is to understand the nature of your hair. So, the hair texture varies between being fine, smooth, straight, curly, frizzy, and this, even though you're born with a certain hair type, it can also change over a period of time due to weather, age, exposure to sun, etc. So, if you understand what is the nature of your hair, you will be able to make sure that you're doing the right thing for it. For example, in my case, my hair is wavy. It starts off straight and in the end, it curls up. And in this way, I also experience in certain weathers the frizziness, especially when it's humid or it's dry. I need to make sure that I'm using the right nourishing products for the hair tips, the conditioning agent, etc. So remember to make sure you're understanding what is the texture and what is the requirement will be explained further. So the third step is to nurture your locks and do targeted treatments. Once you're done with your shampooing and conditioning, the next part is to give a lot of care for your length of hair. Remember, oiling is a process which is followed and it's traditionally followed, and ideally as dermatologists we recommend that you use more of oiling for the length of the hair rather than the scalp, and you do it weekly once for at least half an hour to 1 hour and wash it off with your shampoo. And you also have many hair masks which are available today, homemade masks which have flax seeds, avocado, banana, etc. And these are agents which can just nourish and moisturize your product. And again, a note towards curly hair products. There are a lot of curly hair products in the market nowadays. But remember, the more you use these products, the built up on the scalp. I see patients who come with irritable scalp and dandruff issues are more. So you have to use the right product which is probably naturally made and very light on your scalp and hair. So foundation of your hair care depends also on how you lead your lifestyle. If you are somebody who's particular about having a lot of greens and fiber and protein in your diet and less amount of carbs and sugar, your hair will not be frizzy. So the hormone insulin, the hormone testosterone, and your vitamins like iron, your thyroid, vitamin D, B12 play an important role in the texture of your hair. The other important factor is how you protect it from sun exposure and certain agents used to style. So if you are someone who's into conditioning, the hair will not change much when there is exposure to sun. Now the summer peak is running, and if you are outdoors without using a conditioning agent or a protectant, the hair does get brown, brittle, and breaks easily. Your basis of cleansing and conditioning is another important factor. So if you are having hair which is thin, straight, and it's something which needs volumizing, there are shampoos which are called as volumizing shampoos. How this act is, it makes the hair shaft have repelling ions, so the hair looks more robust and volumized. And apart from this, you have certain agents which are more nourishing, hydrating, moisturizing, like for curly hair or dry hair or frizzy hair. So after you are done with the shampoo is the method is to use probably a teaspoon amount on your palms, lather it well with water and work up from your scalp up to the tip. Make sure you are nicely cleansing the root of your scalp. Also, this is where all the sebum and sweat gets collected, and you will have to wash your scalp twice. And the choice of shampoo is very important. Remember, you'll have to use sulfate free and paraben free shampoos, and there are a lot of mild cleansers which are safe for daily use. and the conditioning agent is the next product. So you will have to make sure that you again work it up on the hair, not the scalp. You apply it, tie it or leave it for at least 5 minutes, and that's how it will lead to conditioning of your hair. So next is your styling strategy for every hair type. Whether it is showing up in your work or having a special occasion where you need to dress up, styling your hair and the confidence it brings is something that most people love to do, and it's a tool in your arsenal, isn't it? Now, the way you style your hair will again depend on what is the requirement. There are a lot of products which are very strong for your hair, like firming agents, your straightening agents, etc. So how you use it is very important. One, it is known and it's understood that this is something which will damage your hair, but we can use certain things to make the damage better and also use these products less frequently. So the way you look at it on social media or TV, that you have straight hair or all the time, is not a necessity. Indian skin is blessed for a wavy curly hair also, but if you nourish it and condition it rightly, it can reflect a good lustrous hair and a growth. So I would recommend that do not use too much of a straightener and a blow dryer on a daily basis, and when you have to use it a heat protectant spray, and make sure that you are conditioning this product well, and do not be exposed to hot sun for long hours when you are directly outdoors. Leave-on conditioners also help in protection of your hair so that there is less of damage. I have personally seen that oral supplement of zinc has helped frizzy hair because it controls the density and the weight of your hair. So finally, your hair is a part of your unique beauty. It's an extension of your personality. So why not celebrate its uniqueness? So we have various types of hair textures like thin, thick, straight, curls, dry, frizzy, etc. So once you figure out that it's okay to be that way and not try to change it too often, you will reduce the damage. Embrace the hair that you're born with and take care of it so that it will glow in its natural state and you are blessed with healthy hair. So get started with your personalized journey on your hair care and do connect with us to know more. So do like and subscribe to our channel for more expert tips for skin, hair and nail health.